Hello there everyone, my name is Mr. and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now, today is a very exciting day. Why? Because a very interesting trade setup has just presented itself here over on Bitcoin. So I'm going to show it to you, show all the price targets, all the formations, etc. And when you can see all the trades that we're taking. And we're going to take a look at some very interesting news, guys and girls, because some really interesting stuff is coming out. And you as Bitcoin traders really have to be in tune with what's going on with macroeconomics, with geopolitical stuff, and with just news in general, so you are always in tune. So without any further ado, let's just move to the technicals first. Usually we do the news first, but this time let's do the technicals first. And as always, guys and girls, if you're brand new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so that you're always notified when I make a new upload, because these uploads, you have to watch them as soon as they come out because they're full of super useful information and some trade alerts as well that we've been doing really well this year with our trading. So call me Mr. Spot On down in the comments right now and let's just dive right into this. And remember, guys and girls, that I'm doing this for you guys for free. So all I'm asking in return is a like on this video and also a share. There is a share button down below here on YouTube that you could, if you would feel like doing so, would share it on your social media. I would really truly appreciate it because, you know, bringing this information out into the world would be very useful for the world. So giving back. So give me that share, give me that comment, and give me that like, and very much appreciate it. So right now we're still in this vicinity. We're still waiting for this massive breakout in Bitcoin, and for the time being we saw this pump right here, which is currently makes us stuck in and consolidation plus being stuck in between 20,400, which is again very important resistance for us. And that's why I told you guys, if you want to be taking a bigger swing trade and trading, you know, some kind of potential pivotal point in Fed's stuff that they're doing, at least wait for, you know, for us to clear this resistance and, you know, clear this mega important resistance from the daily chart, which is this one right here, which is huge, and try not to trade too much into the resistance. However, there is a trade that is currently, again, we are stuck in between 20,400 and this level right here, which is 19,600, and we are forming a very interesting wedge type of a formation. It's going to be very evident if we're going to go to a smaller time frame right here, and this is pretty beautiful. So once we close above this wedge right here, we could put in a long trade just with a target of this resistance right here of again 20,400, but just to be on a safe side, just put in it to 20,300. And certainly, us being traders, we also have to consider another possibilities displaying out, and for that, go down into the description of this video as well as in the pinned comment, and there is a link to my free Discord channel, my VIP trading Discord channel, and that's exactly how you can get access to all of the trades that we're taking with all the detailed explanations, stop losses, take profits, and all the controls of our trades. All the live updates of our trades are here as well, which is absolutely incredible. And our community is making good money. 72%, 25%, 75%, 3%, 48%, 91%, 10%, 152%, etc. So if you want to see the trades that we are taking right now, go down in the description of this video right now and join our free Discord channel right here with my Thomas Crollo VIP trade alerts and signals, because otherwise you're going to be missing out on all these small trades. So on YouTube here, I'm going to still keep you posted about the bigger trades that I am taking. If I'm going to be taking some bigger long trade or short trade, it's going to be here on YouTube, so subscribe. But smaller scalp trades, tiny trades are going to be always in Discord channel with all the controls, entries, take profits, stop losses, and detailed explanations as to why we're taking something. So it's a great place to learn as well as just make money. So go and make money right now. So this is an obvious trade, but again, all the details will be in the Discord channel and all the updates as well. So right now, let's take a look at some very interesting news when it comes to Bitcoin, because I think that this, you know, technical trading is all great, but we as long-term investors, as believers in crypto, have to understand things, what's happening in general. So this is very interesting. Fidelity is launching Ethereum index fund, and it sees client demand for exposure to digital assets beyond Bitcoin. So this is pretty good. I mean, I cannot blame them for creating a Ethereum index fund, because even though there is a lot of thought that the merge didn't take Ethereum to $10,000, which it wasn't supposed to, because it lays the foundation for merge, splurge, purge and just a bunch of different steps which are followed, which follow the merge itself. So therefore, they are actually building a lot of institutional smart money, smart people believe in the future of Ethereum, and so do I. That's why I'm stacking Ethereum like crazy right now. In about 5 years from today, we're gonna look at the current price of Ethereum and we'll be like, yeah, did I buy or didn't I buy after the merge of Ethereum when it actually was successful? So this is what they're betting on. This is really cool that smart money is still on the move. They're still making their moves right now despite the crazy crashes in the markets and crazy reductions in prices. So just be like smart money, please. The next thing is very interesting. Global Bitcoin adoption is still in its infancy, but here's how it might accelerate. So they're talking about different interesting things, but which we've talked about so many times on this YouTube channel already. But the most interesting fact here in this whole article is that they're talking about Bitcoin being still an infant. And this is so true. Despite that, you know, we had this crazy downturn in prices, the development that is happening in the crypto space is incredible. And there are quite a few interesting things yet to still to mention. So hang out till the end of this video. Remember, guys and girls, if you want to be putting in trades and trading actively yourself, longing or shorting Bitcoin, then go down into the description of this video as well as in the pinned comment. You'll find up to $12,700 in initial deposit bonuses, up to $8,000 with BitGet, up to $4,100 with Bybit, and crazily up to $600 with Binance, which Binance usually doesn't give any bonuses, but me and my community gets bonuses on Binance. So use all those links down below and start trading yourself. Now, the next very interesting thing is going to be that European Union agrees on the text of landmark Bitcoin and crypto bill MICA report. So EU also plans to discuss crypto regulation with the US in an IMF World Banking meeting following diplomatic agreement on the bill's text. So basically, the EU is ready to regulate crypto, and to be honest, everybody was super scared about this, but I've been studying in depth to the best of my ability what is it exactly, how they want to regulate it, and so far at this point, just to put your mind at ease and be as short and quick as possible, because let me know in the comments, guys, if you enjoyed these fast updates, that the European Union is actually so far at this point is much more lenient when it comes to regulation than United States. So everybody thought that the European Union is going to be more strict than United States, but in reality, EU is actually a lot softer and a lot more lenient, which is what exactly? It's bullish. Okay, and then the next thing, which I spent like an hour going through, this is a Glassnode analysis of hash rate, and there was a lot of interesting charts, but again, I didn't really want to bore you to death with this whole thing. Basically, they analyzed what's going on with the miners, with the hash rate, with the base cost of mining one Bitcoin and what it all means for the price, whether potentially another capitulation of miners could come and blah, 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 blah. So, and then they were at the end analyzing the risk of miner capitulation, whether there was still any risk or has it passed. So, and then at the end, in a summary, they actually did to see how much stuff there is here. It's unfreaking believable. So, and at the end, they actually did a very interesting summary saying that currently, which is actually also very important, which actually signalizes the fact that we are gonna see huge volatility come to the markets very soon, as they are pointing out here that Bitcoin prices are remaining remarkably stable in a multi-month consolidation between $8,000 and $20K, and it is extremely rare for Bitcoin prices to stay so stationary for long, suggesting heightened probabilities, higher probabilities of volatility on the horizon. And also, Bitcoin mining hash rate reached new all-time highs this week, driving up the cost of production for Bitcoin. And at the time where miners' revenues have only just recovered from the recent capitulation, by numerous models, we estimate that the average cost of Bitcoin production hovers just below the current prices, which is not so good, such that any significant price decline could turn an implied income stress into acute and explicit stress. Therefore, this risk could manifest as a second stage minor capitulation with around 78,000 Bitcoin still held in miners' treasuries, which is not going to be that huge of a deal, but we could see what they're trying to say here is that we could potentially still see huge pressure on Bitcoin. Therefore, we're always very happy to take small trades here and there and make very good money. That's why join my Discord right now and just become a trader together with us at Krallo family, at the spot on family right now. But when it comes to long term, still a lot of pressures. Therefore, we're seeing still the price being in a very important resistance point right here in the EMA ribbon. I told you guys that this is very important resistance, and we traded this resistance as well. And as of right now, we're waiting for either breakout and final breakout here with some stabilization to close above this white resistance. This is where we could say that, okay, technically we showed some power and we can entertain more possibilities of long trades. But until this happens, and still us being in this resistance area, I would suggest going to my Discord and taking only small scalp trades together with me and my team. And as always, guys and girls, here's going to be a crypto course that you can check out if you want to learn how to do these things yourself, more or less, like for beginner course. As always, peace and love. Thomas Krallo. Make some noise out in the comments, share this video, comment down below, call me Mr. Spot on that in the comments, and stay smart, stay rich, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.